name is Chirenga Christopher. I'm here to present to you a project that is related with the briquette production in Kigali. Basically, we are going to see project risk identification tools. I'm joined by members as you will see them in their presentations. Traditionally, charcoal and firewood account for around 80% of Rwanda's energy consumption, with charcoal alone supplying approximately 72% nationwide and delivering around 61,000 sacks weekly to Kigali population. This intensive use contributes to massive deforestation. This is the cutting down of trees, whereby an estimated 380 hectares lost weekly, endangering forest species, biodiversity, and increasing greenhouse gas emissions. Rwanda's government set an ambitious target, reducing charcoal dependence from 79% to 42% of household fuel by 2024, with a ban on charcoal in Kigali and initiatives to promote alternatives like liquefied petroleum gas or LPG, electric stoves, and briquettes. The objective of this is to replace charcoal with environmentally friendly briquettes made from agricultural waste, aiming to reduce deforestation and carbon emissions. Let me call upon the next presenter, Diana, to explain more about that.
Thank you. My name is Ndori Diana, and I'm going to talk about the risk identification tools. And the first one is, firstly, SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool that helps identify internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats to the project. So, starting with strength, this is the first strength we have is government support for green energy. The second is readily available materials, which are agricultural wastes. Another one is growing demand for eco products. So the risk identified from this is risk of a dependence on government subsidies. Yes, we depend so much on the support from the government, it may cause risk to our project. Another one is weaknesses. One of the weaknesses is high initial investment, limited technical expertise, and lack of consumer awareness, because many people don't know about green energy yet, so our project may have that weakness. Another one is not identified risks. Within this weakness is risk of poor production quality or maintenance issues. The next one is risk of slow market uptake because of low number of consumers. Thank you. Let me call my colleague to continue with the next.
Thank you. My name is Mushimimana Rachel. I'm going to continue with the two external factors for our project. The two external factors, one is opportunities. Opportunities, they are the external factors that our project can take advantages of to achieve its goals. As examples of opportunities to our project, we have donor interest in climate smart projects. We have job creation potential. We have also new market demand in urban centers. The identified risks is risk of unmet expectations for donors or partners. We have also threats. Threats are the external factors that could cause troubles for our projects. The examples of threats that we have competition from traditional charcoal vendors. We have market resistance. We have also fluctuating agricultural waste supply. The identified risks are risks of sabotage or public rejection. We have also low materials shortage. Thank you. Let me call my colleague to continue.
Thank you so much. I'm going to talk about the Delphi technique. Delphi technique is a group of communication methods that uses a round of questionnaires sent to a panel for experts to reach a consensus on potential risks and uncertainties. Application of Delphi technique. Panel of experts, renewable energy consultants, environmental energies, local entrepreneurs, community leaders. Thank you so much. Let me allow my colleague to continue as well.
Thank you so much. My name is Makide. As my colleagues say, we have a second tool of risk identification on our project of Green Briquette in Kigali. So as I can continue with this Delphi method, as its process and results. Round one, we use risk of brainstorming. Expert A, find out that community may resist changing from charcoal due to cooking habit. It's a risk. And a risk B is provided by expert B. There is a risk of irregular raw material supply. Third one, delays in permit acquisition could hurt operations. So after risk brainstorming, go for consensus reading, where experts defined and agreed on the key risks. So refer to our project, the following are the key risks refined and agreed by experts. Risk, we do have risks and their descriptions. We have social resistance, we have supply chain risks, regulatory risks, and technical risks. For social resistance, description of it is the reluctance from users to adopt a new fuel source. Supply chain risk, such as unpredictable availability of raw materials like sawdust and coffee huts. For regulatory risk, we come up with delays of failure to obtain licenses permitted from authorities. Have also technical risk, such as machinery breakdown or lack of maintenance expertise. As conclusion from our project of Green Briquette in Kigali, we chose to work with two tools, which are SWOT analysis and Delphi method, whereby SWOT analysis helped in identifying internal capacities and external challenges or opportunities. And Delphi techniques develop deeper expert-based risk like supply instability and market behavior. We thank you for your attention.